Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to do conversions in organic chemistry step by step, right? Actually, we are going to learn about the ascending series, right? I will give you the definition of ascending series sometime after. So at first we'll do conversion from uh, ethanol from methanol, right? This is methanol, right? Methanol has one carbon, and this is ethanol, and ethanol has two carbon, right? This is a ascending series reaction, right? Because we have to increase one carbon, right? You see here, ethanol has two carbon, but methanol has one carbon, right? So we have to increase one carbon, and that is why this is ascending series. Okay, let me give you the definition of ascending series, right? What is ascending series? The series of chemical reactions by which an organic compound can be prepared with increase of carbon atom in chain from a compound of same homologous series is called ascending series, right? Well, methanol and ethanol uh, includes the same homologous series, right? Because the difference between methanol and ethanol is CH2, right? Let me draw the structure of CH2, right? So I am doing that. This is CH2, and this is the difference between methanol and ethanol, right? So methanol, ethanol include the same homologous series, right? Well, so how to get ethanol from methanol? Uh, at first we have to use here phosphorus pentachloride, then this wedge, right? This wedge will be replaced by chlorine, that will come from phosphorus pentachloride, and we'll get here methyl chloride, right, or chloromethane. And then we have to use here potassium cyanide, then we'll get here ether nitrile, right? And if we reduce this ether nitrile by lithium aluminum hydride reagent, then we'll get ethylamine, that is two hydrogen will come with nitrogen and two hydrogen will come with carbon. So thus we are getting ethylamine. And if we add here nitrous acid solution, then this wedge will convert it to wedge, that is alcohol, right? We are getting ethanol. You can say this is a ascending series for alcohol synthesis, right? You can say this is a ascending series for alcohol synthesis. However, if you read these sentences, then you will be able to know about ascending series. The series of chemical reaction by which an organic compound can be prepared with increase of carbon atom in chain from a compound of same homologous series is called ascending series, right? The mother compound of increasing number of carbon in the chain is alkyl halide, right? Anyhow, you have to convert a compound to alkyl halide. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.